restoration and revival. It sat here for decades, forgotten, a shell of what it once was, but every car has a story waiting to be rediscovered. This 1960 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL wasn't just a car, it was someone's dream, their escape, their adventure. And now, it's our turn to bring it back to life. Piece by piece, the past is uncovered. Every scratch, every dent, every faded memory, restored with care. This isn't just a car anymore, it's a time capsule, a storyteller, a work of art. And now it's ready for its next chapter. From a forgotten relic to a timeless masterpiece, this isn't just a restoration, it's a revival, a second chance for a classic to tell its story once more. Every car has a story. What's yours?